Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is an amazing day because I just got delivery from Myntra. These are some of the suits which I ordered from Diwali Myntra sale, and I'm so excited because I wanted to add some of the fresh pieces in my ethnic wardrobe collection. If you like fashion and love the ethnic vibes, you are in for an amazing treat today. So before we get started, go hit that subscribe button and press on that notification bell so you don't miss on any of the fashion adventure we are on. And yeah, let's get started. All right, so let's start kicking things with the first one. This is a beautiful mustard yellow kurta which I ordered. This is sleeveless with a beautiful chic plazo. And I'm going to play the video in which I'm wearing the suit to show you how it looks on the model and on me versus on me. So yeah. All right, let's kick things off with the first suit. I have been eagerly waiting for this mustard beauty. Like, check out this sleeveless cotton kurta in a very beautiful, vibrant mustard color, featuring a beautiful Mandarin collar. And look at this chic plazo bottoms. The comfort and style are absolutely on point. I have paired this with a already existing style which was in my wardrobe. Basically, I love pairing, my suits with the dupatta. I just don't like wearing it like that. But if you're somebody who wants to wear it, in the office, you can definitely ditch the dupatta, just carry a nice tote bag, and nice kolhapuri or a Punjabi dhuti with a thread embroidery, something to add and pop of element in the whole wardrobe. And yeah, you can pair it with the oxidized nice jewelry and just wear a nice watch, and yeah, you'll be good to go. So yeah. Okay, let's move on to the second suit now. So let's move on to the second suit, which is this beautiful black anarkali kurta. Is definitely feast for your eyes. The golden motif print, kind of adds a touch of glamour that's simply irresistible. I love the ensemble. It's like a perfect blend of classic and contemporary. I am definitely, already envisioning the grace and charm it will bring to, some special occasion. And so, what do you think of this black and gold masterpiece? I love the detailing on this. I love how well it is fitting on my body. It's like, I've custom made it onto my size. So, so guys, my dog decided to join me for this beautiful video. He is here to say hi. He's a beautiful 2-year-old beagle boy. Very cute, very charming. He's literally a cuddle monster, and I love him so much. So say hi to him, and I hope you are liking this, beautiful suit as well. So do tell me in the comment section, and let's move on to the next suit. Hi, so here is the package number 3, and one is this beautiful, printed kurta, and it had to come with a bottom, and they have forgot to send bottom with this. I was so in, love with this kurta. I was so excited to wear it because this is the strap one and it is very different from the other ones. And see the color, the print is so amazing, and it's in the cotton fabric. But yeah, this is definitely a surprise or a shock. I don't know. I was expecting a complete set, and I'm really disappointed. But yeah, I will definitely reach out to their customer service. This have never happened me before with Myntra, but yeah, I did have a little bit of issues with the customer service. Do tell me if you have had the similar experiences with them because I'm not happy. So let's move on to the fourth suit. So we have one more shocking surprise. Instead of, this, which the maroon one, Myntra have sent me this suit. This sky blue color suit. Can you see this? Like it's beautiful. Like the gota patti work is really beautiful. The color is so vibrant. I'll show you after wearing how it looks. It's beautiful. The work is quite, a lot on this, and it have, okay, see the video for the reference how it looks. But yeah, so instead of this maroon floral kurta which I ordered, I received this beautiful gotapatti work suit in a sky blue color. which is undoubtedly stunning. The work is quite exquisite, and but it's not what I ordered, and I'm really not liking it. But anyways, the craftsmanship on this, the suit is very impressive. I love the delicate gotapatti work is very beautiful. The color is also so vibrant. However, it's not the maroon floral, kurta. I can understand why I'm having this frustration, and has nothing like this ever happened to me ever. Like, please tell me if something like this have ever happened with you with the online order, especially with Myntra. I have never had these issues. But yeah, anyways, I am actually thinking to keep this one suit because I have one function coming, which is the day function. I'm thinking to wear it there. Well, that concludes the unexpected, shocking surprise from Myntra today while unboxing. On this, unboxing unexpected twist, do tell me if you have received anything wrong online in your online orders, because this have happened to me for the very first time and I'm not liking it. I literally love to, just get what I have ordered because I have already thinking to, wear it in um, one of the the function, or on a festive day, and I'm not happy. But I'll definitely keep you guys posted like what happened after I reach out to the Myntra customer care. And yeah, do tell me uh, about your experience, and are you liking the video? And yeah, stay tuned for more fashion related content. So thank you for joining me today, and I'll keep you guys posted how Myntra has resolved this issue for me by after I, will reach out to the customer service. And thank you for joining me today, and I hope to, get more accurate deliveries, going forward in future with from Myntra and mm, many other platforms. I'm not, in a good mood right now because okay, things happened. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe, the bell icon. No, do hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.